Hello guys, welcome to Simplify channel. Let me tell you a funny story. Every time we see a new phone release, if it is from Samsung or Apple, we always get to hear these words, the all new phone. But in reality, it is hardly the case. Most of the time, the updates and upgrades are so minimum for the price you pay for the phone. Now let's come to the topic. Let me share these three main reasons you should not buy or update to the new Z Flip 5. The most important is price. It is not sensible to pay $1,200 plus for a phone which durability will always be a question mark. Number 2, the so-called flex window. In my opinion, it is also not a practical addition and you might get bored while using it for a while. It is much easier to use the normal screen for the stuff the flex window is designed for. Number 3, the screen bump is still there. Samsung needs some more work to get rid of this. This is all for today. See you in the next video.